Hey everyone, welcome back to Limon Tech. I'm gonna keep this very brief because I don't like when videos like this take ages to get to the point. You want to create a Minecraft server using port forwarding. Very simple. First thing you want to do is go on your browser and go to the Minecraft server hosting webpage, which we'll leave a link to in the description. You'll be met with this page here, and what you want to do is download this jar file right here. Once the download is done, place the file in a folder by itself. Next, you need to make a text document within this folder. Call this file run. You need to open this text document and get this line from the Minecraft page. You can leave this no GUI section as the website says you can leave it, so you might as well. Paste what you just copied into that run text document. These numbers here represent the number of RAM you want to allocate to the server in megabytes. So right now it's on 1 GB, but you can change this number into anything you want as long as you have that much RAM in your PC. Now you need to save and exit the file. Now, this is very important. You need to rename this file from a .txt into a .bat file. Once you've done that, you can run the .bat file by double-clicking it. It will bring up this menu, but don't worry, just let it do its thing. Once it's done, you will see more files and folders appear into the folder that you've created. Go into the EULA text file and change this part right here from false to true. Then save it again and close it. Now run the BAT file again. This will now start creating and loading the world for your server. Once that's done, you will see that now there's even more files. Go into the server properties file. You'll need to insert your IPv4 address into this server IP section here. To find your IPv4 address, you'll need to boot up command prompt and type ipconfig. We won't be showing our own address, but you're looking for the number that lines up with the IPv4 address. Copy that number and paste it into the server IP field in the text document. The server creation stage is pretty much done. Now we need to move on to port forwarding. If you go back onto command prompt, you will see a number that aligns with default gateway. If you copy that number and paste it in your browser, it will open up the page for your router settings. Log into this using your password. Once you're in this, locate your port forwarding tab and create a new rule. In this local IP section, make sure to put the IPv4 number that you retrieved earlier. For these port sections, you will need to go back to the server properties file, which is where you'll find the port number. Paste this number into all 4 port sections. Make sure the protocol is set to both and this enable tab set to on. Then you add rule. For us, it says that this rule already exists because we've already done this, but for you, it should just add the rule. The last step here is to find your public IP address and give it to your friends. You can do this by going on your browser and going on whatismyipaddress.com or any other similar website. Your friends can also join your world using your IPv4 address. Now everything's done, all you need to do is launch Minecraft and make sure you run the BAT file. At this point, you and your friends can join the server using either of the addresses and play the game. I hope this was a simple explanation. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe. See you soon.